Hello guys, welcome to Nita CP YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing problem A of code forces round 748 div 3. This was a quite simple problem, so let's get started. I hope you have already read the problem. If you have not already read the problem, please do read it once. I will just explain what the problem says. The problem says we are given three persons or candidates, let's say first person, second person and third person. For each person, we are given total number of votes they received as A, B and C respectively for all the three persons. Now we have to find out how much votes should be added to a person's total vote so that he wins. That is, his total number of votes should be strictly greater than the other two persons' votes. Okay. So we will now take an example from sample input, which is 10, 75 and 15. So let's go to the whiteboard. So in the example, we are given first person, second person, third person. As we can see, vote received by first person as A, second B and third C. In the sample input, we have taken from this 10, 75 and 15. You can take any of those. So first person received 10 votes, second received 75 votes and third person received 15 votes. Let's suppose x1, wait a minute. Let's suppose x1 be the number of votes that should be added to A so that it becomes strictly greater than B and C. So we can write A plus x1 equals to max of B comma C plus 1. Here this 1 is because A plus x1 has to be strictly greater than B as well as C. So here A is 10, max of B comma C is 75 and plus 1. So we will get x1 equals to 66. So we can say here we have a formula for all the persons. For person A, for first person we will write x1 equals to max of B comma C minus A plus 1. For second person we will write x2 equals to max of A comma C minus B plus 1. Similarly for third person. Now let's see for the second person. Total number of votes second person initially has 75. So we will write B plus x2 equals to max of A comma C plus 1. Where B is 75, max of A and C is 15. So x2 here comes minus 59. So what the minus sign means here? Now here the negative value suggests that the number of votes for the person was already greater than the other two. So we have to add nothing. So when we have to add nothing, that means we will print 0. So to make it in a generalized form, what we will do is for every person we will print max of 0 comma that value received. If this value is non-negative, then it will print that value itself, otherwise it will print 0. Now let's see the code. I will give the link of code in description, make sure you check it out. So here is the code. You can see we have taken input A, B and C, then value B1 as total number of votes that should be added into A, V2 as added to B, V3 as total number of votes that should be added to C, and now we print max of 0 comma V1, max of 0 comma V2, max of 0 comma V2. Here we are taking max of 0 comma V1, as I have already explained that if number of votes should be added comes non-negative, then it will print that value, otherwise it will print 0. So I hope you all liked the tutorial. Please make sure you subscribe to Nita CP YouTube channel and leave your query or suggestion in comment section. Thank you.